Hi, I want to see why these lights up here on the bar are flickering every now and then. And then as I was just taking out this switch here, I noticed these lights shut off even though the switch is on. So now this wire nut in here, I noticed when I push on it, just just like that, you can hear the sparking and arcing. So you can hear it on the phone. Yeah. And also when I do that, you can see, let's see if I can get both the lights and my finger. And so all I'm doing is just pushing on that wire nut. Here, I got the power off, by the way. But yeah, this is just right out of the wire nut. I didn't even unscrew the wire nut yet. All I did was pull it out of the wall once I pulled the switches out, and it came out.